That's your boy up in ass. Man. Alright, I'm about to, y'all know that homemade sponge that I made, man.
That shit surely at homemade.
This is magnificent, bro. You crazy. Bro, okay, it's still gonna work. It's still gonna work, man. Y'all already know what time it is, but it's still gonna work. You know what I'm saying? So I got my little cousin here today, you know.
Don't work for you.
He got the fro on. You know, I ain't got the fro, so I really couldn't try it. So he got the fro. You know what I'm saying? It's already kind of.
I might got some damn.
Alright, so we just gonna. I'm gonna apply. Stop. I'm gonna apply some of this oil. This the only thing we got, bro. The little olive oil miracle, man. But it can't crack. Alright, you ready? We're gonna try it out on here, huh? Then we're gonna do the sponge technique. Then we're gonna do the brush technique. And he lost my other sponge.
No, I didn't. Don't say that, bro.
He lost my other sponge. So, alright, so we about to go ahead and get it started, man. Alright, come on.
I'll spray myself.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna put it in the coma or something.
I got you. Go.
Feel uncomfortable. Put it in the coma.
Man, I go ahead.
Oh, put it in the mirror.
You gotta show them. You gotta show them what.
They gonna see you. Put it in the mirror.
You gotta show them where you spray it. Got it, bro. You go ahead. Spray it, bro.
I'm scared.
Spray it on your hair.
Bro, I'm scared.
It's for black people. The brush gonna get deep, so I'm gonna do the homemade sponge. Grip the sponge. Go deep with your hair.
Now I did it.
Alright, so that's like what? That's not even 5 minutes. Just like a minute of just the sponge. It kind of got into it. I got you.
No, let me see. I got the.
Oh, I'm making it eat right.
Everybody do. I look skinny through the mirror. Look a little bit.
It's a fool, bro.
How you zoom in? It zoomed in?
Not right now.
Yeah,
I see some locking right. Well,
yeah, I see some. Yeah, I feel it too. Yeah, don't do it no more. That hurt my neck. Alright, so we're done with the YouTube video.
You might want to do it. How you a football player that hurt your neck with a helmet that hurt your neck?
Because I won't get in.
Exactly. You don't get in?
No, I won't get in.
So you still gotta have your helmet on the sideline.
But I'll be sitting down. Sometimes I get to take it off.
So
I don't,
You just said you don't get in, so how you get taken out if you don't get in?
Cause I be sneaking.
How you sneak in on the field?
Because, no, I'm sneaking on, I just sneak behind all the people on the sideline, and then they can't see me.
You can't see the what?
See me on the sideline. When I take off my helmet, and I go to sleep, and I sit down on the
So
floor.
what you be doing at the practice?
Same thing. Talk to my friends on the
So
sideline.
they don't ever call your name?
No.
They don't ever call your name?
Nope, they don't know my name. If I put the camera in my face, it look like I ain't got no face. I just got a forehead and a chin.
Bro, look, bro.
What do-
Get back in the light.
Put me back in no video,
Get
bro.
back in the light. Alright, we've been doing this for 10 minutes. Like 5 or 10 minutes. And it kind of working, but it getting kind of tiring though. Okay.
Oh, it's nappy, hold on. Oh, shoot, but take that out of there.
It's locking, good.
What, Grandma?
Some of the sponge breaking off in your hair.
I know, I gotta wash it, bro. Oh my God, bro.
When you wash it, then do it.
You think so, man? I think it's pretty working, you know.
Look, y'all see this spot, the magical spot? Hey, I ain't even get to see the result.
Oh, we just gonna pretend like this is what the result. Go
You know
ahead.
what you were doing, bitch head boy.
Go ahead, they'll be like, oh, yeah, this is the finished product.
Hey, you're drunk in locking them, no count.
I think it worked. Yeah.
Try to run your hand through it.
I need that. Oh.
You need to cut that off. That right there, get the tape, man.
You should've waited till I got a haircut. Yeah, do that.
Then it'll be looking fresh.
No, let me see. Not sure. Not sure.
Alright, bro, this is the over catch off. Oh, tired. I'm gonna catch y'all boys later, bro. Peace.
Hey, my window. Hey, get that bag, ho. Stack it all up when it caught me a patty. Stingray top out, adding off a trench. Didn't graduate, but I'm good with mathematics. Standing in the trap, I'm trying to double up and